Hey guys, so I'm back with another unboxing. In this video I'll be unboxing my first Temu package that I got. So the first thing I got was these wig cap. These are HG's wig cap, guys, and it came with 5 in the pack. I also got this mirror. It should be a mirror with light, but there's no light on it. It came with this stand, so you can just put it up to stand up, but I don't know how to fix it, but I soon sort out that part. The next thing I got was this clip-on light for your phone, so you can just clip it onto your phone if you like doing any selfie or anything like that. And it came with this charger, a very short charger. The next thing I got was this melting band, and this melting band came with 2 soft thingy to put so your ears don't get squeezed up. I also got this ring light. It's a mini ring light, guys, and it's very bright, like very bright. It came with the part to plug in and the different buttons and all of that, and it also came with a stand. Yeah, so you can just attach a stand to it and put it to stand up, just like that. Yeah, so this is their lace wig remover, so I also got that, and I did got one of their ghost band glue. So yeah, you can run over Temu if you want one of them glue here. Also got one of their satin bonnet, and I chose purple because purple is my favorite color, and I love this, like, yeah, I love it. I also got one of their mascara. I needed this. By the way, guys, everything that I purchased was under $40, guys. Last but not least is this handbag that I got. I love it, and it's very cheap, guys. Everything cheap, guys. Please remember to use my code if you want to get 90% off your next order. And for persons who want to sign up for the Temu influencer program to get free stuff, the link is in my bio, so please check that out.